From that point, lead the lady in front of you into the clockwise rotation. Gently pull her, keeping the left hand low and raising the right hand, leading it between the two of you, then above the partner's head. When she's with her back to you, start raising the left hand, lead it above her head, rotate her up to the point when she's with her left side to you and on your right side. Connect your feet, let go with the right hand, use the left hand to place the partner's hand behind your neck, then place the right hand around her waist and put out the left hand into the frame position. We will now dance the dip, so gentlemen, shift your weight to the left leg and reach with the right leg to the right side. Notice that you should start by bending your left knee without shifting your weight, then actively push off the left leg, shifting your weight to the right. Right knee is bent, don't lean over the lady, keep your back straight and tilt your upper body to the right side. Keep your arms strong and keep supporting the lady's back with your right hand. Then push off the right leg, shifting your weight to the left and pulling the lady out of the pose. Let's stop here to cover the lady's perspective. Now rotate clockwise in front of the man, taking 4 steps moving along a straight line. Start with the right leg, remember to keep your elbows slightly bent during all of the rotations. Also, keep some tension on your hands to allow the partner to lead you and help you with the rotations. Keep your steps rather small, and right, left, right, left, connect right foot to left foot, end up on the man's right side with your left side to him. I'll move to the side so you can see. Place the left hand on the man's shoulders behind his neck. And give him your right hand in front of you to create a small frame. Back to the proper position. Notice that you have to be very close to the partner, reaching with the left hand all the way to his left shoulder. You should be connected with him through the left side of your body. Now we're dancing the dip. Bend your knees, reach with the right leg backward. Actively push off the left leg to shift your weight backward to the right leg. Right knee should be bent, left leg is straight and in front of you. Direct your hips forward and up during the dip. Let's show this from the front. So keep most of your weight on the right leg, right knee is bent. Direct your hips forward and up, tilt your upper body and head backward, looking at the man or turning your head to the right side. Avoid leaning on the man too much, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. While getting out of the pose, bend your right knee more, push off the right leg, shift your weight forward, rotate toward the partner, back to the neutral position, place the left hand on the man's right shoulder. Let's go back to the proper direction. So we will end the dip with the man facing the audience, ladies with her back to the audience. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,